Welcome to another trade recap, where I'm day trading S&P futures on an Apex evaluation account. You can sign up for your own Apex account with my link in the description and use my coupon code for 50% off your first month and 50% off all recurring months. After seeing price take out a higher timeframe liquidity target and then dump downwards, shifting short-term market structure to be bearish, I draw out a 5-minute fair value gap as well as a 15-minute bearish order block at around the golden pocket Fibonacci retracement level, and decide to submit a limit sell there with so much short confluence. This trade plays out perfectly. Price gets immediately rejected out of the 5-minute fair value gap and starts dropping. Not gonna lie, I did have a little bit of PTSD from yesterday's trades, where price was over halfway to my profit goal before reversing and stopping me out both times. Check out the video card to see that one if you haven't already. I was tempted to take profits early, but once again I had to remind myself that I'd already accepted the max stop loss risk, so I had nothing to be afraid of. Also, the more I take profits early, the worse my reward to risk ratio gets, which really hurts my long-term profitability. I do end up slightly front-running my profit target, as my reward to risk ratio was still very favorable, and this would decrease the chance of the devastating scenario of barely missing your profit target, which has also happened to me before. I'm glad I didn't end up taking profits early, because price sure enough does continue dumping, and my original liquidity target even gets hit. Was super pleased with this trade nonetheless, as it was a nice confidence booster after a rough day yesterday. After a bit of a run-up, I see price grab short-term liquidity, then shift market structure to be bearish on a 5-minute chart. On the higher time frames, I saw that there were imbalances below that haven't been addressed yet, so I was still pretty bearish, and had confluence from the overall price action for the day, putting in lower highs and lower lows. So I go short again inside this 5-minute fair value gap and golden pocket. It felt bad when my entry gets ran through a little, but I stayed disciplined and let the trade fully play out. I'm still only going for the low-hanging fruit, so I was reassured that these profit targets should be relatively easy to hit. I actually leave my desk to prep lunch to help take my mind off the trade, which is actually something I would recommend if any of y'all are having trouble letting your trades fully play out. I know certain strategies rely on micromanaging and using discretion, but personally, I don't understand price action enough to do this, so I prefer to just let my trades fully play out. I found that this generally helps with FOMO if price rips past your profit target, as it's just satisfying knowing that your original trade objective was hit. Anyway, this trade also plays out perfectly, and I come back from prepping lunch to see that I won my second trade in a row. I'm going to start showing all my trades like this during the final thoughts section going forward, as I think it's a nice review of the trading day. As you can see, I was very relieved that I just went for the low-hanging fruit profit target in my second trade, because price actually broke market structure to be bullish shortly after it took profit. I had work meetings for the rest of the day, so wasn't able to trade, but I saw that there were some great bullish setups all afternoon, but not sure if I would have taken them since I had a bearish bias. Anyway, it just felt really good to bounce back with 2 straight wins after taking 2 straight losses yesterday. And I think this is just more of a testament to stick to your entry rules and trust in the long-term success of your setup. Honestly, the reason why my win rate is only 50% so far is because a number of trades I've been taking on this account did not meet all my entry requirements, and I've also been refining them little by little. Being able to practice your trading, fine-tune your entry requirements, build good risk management habits, and take trades without hesitation is one of the biggest benefits to trading with a prop firm, since your risk is capped to the account fees. After today, my Apex account is back to 51,944. We added some more breathing room from the liquidation threshold, and hopefully I can keep this positive momentum going and continue to be disciplined and only take trades that satisfy all my entry requirements. As always, thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe so you're notified of the next time I post a trade recap. In the meantime, I'll continue posting daily profit and loss updates in my channel's community tab.